Okay, let's get all of this and that piece back on there. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel on this special Valentine's Day, well, we'll call it our Valentine's Day special. Nothing really special about it. As you can see, got all these parts primed, Raptor lined. We're going to be throwing them onto here today. So, kind of changed it up a little bit. Figured it's going to be a lot easier without this core support. Going to be setting them in place, then setting the outer structure on, setting the core support back on, re-supporting the outer structure to the core support, then putting the fenders on. So we got the 3 things that we need: time, parts, and a 30 pack. So let's get to it. Okay, so a little progress report. We are all done up here in the front motor compartment for right now with the fenders and whatnot. Really the only things left to do up here is new master cylinder, which I'll be ordering later on today. Not going to put this piece on because quite frankly it looks kind of stupid. Don't really like it. The battery cable, I was a little worried about it. It almost fits. I'm sure I could make it fit, but I'm going with a cutoff, so this is going to probably end up like here anyway. Did just jump on Amazon. I will be ordering the battery hold down. That little piece that's coming off, probably going to paint that blue. I think it'll look pretty cool. These pieces over here, you can see the outside's all Raptor lined, and then I ran out. I'm not going to mix up and waste $30 worth of Raptor liner for the insides of these. I'll just use regular little some sort of undercoating. Over here, got a little board. I was looking, got these little self tappers here. They look a little dangerous. So we're gonna do a little nut cert hack. Basically, we're gonna use nut certs, but we're not gonna actually seat them in. And I know some of you guys might not like this. So basically, we're just gonna tighten that up. That way we don't have to worry about anybody cutting themselves on a self-tapper. And once these get a little tight, they actually tend to stay as they compress. So yeah, I definitely think that looks better than a self-tapper, and it's not going to go anywhere. Good. So moving on, what's next? Well, there's not a whole lot left to do up here, but we do have that. So let's get a radiator in this, and I mean, in all actuality, we could probably fire her up today. Well, actually, no, we're not going to fire her up because we don't want to run antifreeze through the system because we're ordering this hose tonight because that just looks like ass. So we'll get right back to you. All right, as you can see, radiator is all in. Quick little tech tip here. I wasn't even going to film filling up the radiator or anything, which I'm actually probably not. But whenever you do fill up your radiator first time back in the car, myself, I like to use the concentrated where you must add water. So basically what you want to do, you want to put the water in first. Put some water in, because just in case you do something stupid that like I've done in the past, where you forget to actually close the drain petcock, you really don't want your antifreeze going all over the ground. So just a little tech tip. Be right back. All right, next up on this lovely Valentine's Day, where my wife pretty much just kicked me out into the garage, we are just going to be undercoating the insides of these. And we're just going with this cheap Rust-Oleum undercoating. It's like $4 a can. Because, number one, this doesn't even need to be done. It's already in epoxy prime. But it's not going to hurt to do it. I'm going to treat this like it's my own vehicle, you know? Even though I'm probably like 75% sure I'm going to sell it. I'm still a little undecided about that. We'll see. Something's got to go. I got too many vehicles as it is. I know come spring, the Model A, that's definitely going. I'm pretty sure the Jeep is going to be going. What else? The Vet, well, that's new, so that's obviously staying. I don't think my wife will let me get rid of the 54 Chevy truck, although we can try. Yeah, stuff's nowhere near as nice as Raptor Liner, but it'll serve its purpose. Doom Buggy, we're going to be keeping that at least for this year. 350Z, that won't go anywhere. That's my daughter's whip. And what else? Yeah, I think that's about it. Everything else is just daily drivers. So, this stuff ain't too bad. It'll do what it's intended to do. Voltage regulator. This is the one last ugly piece in the Bronco. I know these are only like 20 bucks, but there's nothing wrong with this. So basically, we're going to screw this down. Hopefully we don't screw it up. We're going to wire wheel it. We're going to etch it. We're going to paint it. We're going to throw it back on. Bang! And we're moving on. So it's dark out. It's Valentine's Day. That can only mean one thing. We're going down on her. Alright, we're getting back to some fun stuff. I'm going to start the exhaust tonight. Hopefully get one side done at least. Who knows? Maybe we'll get motivated and do the second. So basically, we have a couple different pipes. Got a little 45 and a straight pipe. So, not sure how well you're going to be able to see this. If we slip the 45 in there, and then we have a straight pipe coming out of it, I mean, that puts us pretty close. But, unfortunately, it's starting to run away from the frame. I know you really can't see it well. So, I'm thinking, if I were to drop this down, and yeah, this is going to be horrible to see. I'm thinking if I were to drop this down, maybe, if I come down about, maybe like a 5-inch piece of pipe, just as a spacer in here, that should cut me pretty straight back. So, we're going to cut a piece of pipe, mock it up, see how it looks. Alright, so we're pretty much all mocked up under here. We got a little bit of clearance on both sides. This pipe, we're going to pop it right around there. We're going to throw a couple tacks in, you know, 2 there, 2 there, 2 there. We'll throw a coupler on here. We'll take it off, bring it to the bench, finish it up. So, next time you see me, I'll be out from underneath of this. Alright, she's off. You see, we have her all tacked up. Some crappy looking tacks there, but they're doing the job. Besides, I was doing it lefty, really couldn't see. So, I'm going to go turn some music on, hammer out some welds here, and be right back. Alright, all set. All welded up top, or welded down to right here, this little connector pipe. And I went with the exhaust with the inlet on the bottom here, only to kick it up because it has a center inlet. So I want to get as much ground clearance as possible. Not that this thing's ever going to see the dirt anyway, but I just think it kind of looks better like this. Personal opinion. Not sure what I'm going to do out back. I don't know if I'm going to go straight out. I don't know if I'm going to bend around the tire, but I pretty much just wanted to get to here. Here, this is the only area where we're going to clamp it. And we do read the comments. Someone did mention something about the view. I never realized this GoPro was set up for wide view, so I did switch it halfway through, so hopefully it gets better. So yeah, that's going to be a wrap for this video, guys. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and tell your friends. Catch you soon.
Oh yeah!
Might have a new color combo.